हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्ट्रेन एंड स्प्रेन नाम आपने सुना ही होगा। तो चलो आज हम देखते हैं कि स्ट्रेन एंड स्प्रेन क्या है और उसमें कौन सी ट्रीटमेंट की जाती है। नाउ फर्स्ट इज द स्प्रेन, स्ट्रेच और tear of a ligament caused by a sudden pull, that is the sprain. One or more ligaments can be injured at the same time, like a ankle sprain. Okay, you can see in a figure ankle sprain. It occurs due to ligament stretch. Now what is strain? It is injury to either a muscle or a tendon as a result of suddenly pulling them too far. Simple overstretch of muscles or tendon or results of a partial or complete tear, it is called as a strain, as you can see in a figure. Okay, tendinitis, elbow strain. Now what causes a sprain? In that fall down, sudden twist, blow to the body that force a joint out of its normal position and stretches or tears the ligament supporting that joint. Now where do sprains usually occur? Most common site is the ankle, then frequently occur at the wrist, sprain to the thumb common in skiing and other sports. Now, what are the signs and symptoms of a sprain? It includes pain, swelling, bruising, loss of functional ability, then sometimes a pop or tear when the injury happens. Okay, like this way, swelling and pain occur at that site. Okay, you can see in a figure. Okay, in that grade 1 is the mild form, some stretching or minor tearing of the median ankle ligaments. Then in a grade 2, it is a moderate condition, in that partial tearing of the medial ankle ligaments. Then in a grade 3, it is a severe condition, in that complete tearing of the lateral ankle ligaments. Now what causes a strain? In that twisting or pulling a muscle or tendon, acute or chronic, in that recent trauma or results of a overuse of a muscles. Okay, it mostly occur in a sports person. Now where do strains usually occurs? In that two common sites, the back and the hamstring muscles. Hand and forearm and elbow, you can see hamstrings muscle tear, okay, and adductor muscle strain in the groin pull. Now what are the signs and symptoms of a strain? In that typical signs and symptoms includes the pain, limited motion, muscle spasms, and possibly muscle weakness, and localized swelling, cramping or inflammation, and with a minor or moderate strain, usually some loss of muscle functions occur. Now how are sprains and strains treated? In that RICE therapy is there. RICE means raised ice, compression and elevation. Okay, this one is the raised ice, elevation and compression. Raised means stop using injured part, use splint for injuries of the arm. Then ice means keep damp or dry cloth between skin and ice pack, and do not apply ice for longer than 15 to 20 minutes at a time. Then compression, in that use elasticized bandage, compression sleeve or cloth, wrap injured part firmly, do not impair blood supply, in that too tight compression may cause more swelling. Then wrap over ice, then loosen the bandage if it gets too tight. Okay, then elevation, elevate injured part above level of heart, decreases swelling and pain, use objects and pillows for props. Okay, as you can see in a figure, elevate a injured part. Okay, riser R means referral. If the condition is worsened, then see your doctor for the further treatment. So we learned regarding sprain, strain and first aid treatment. For that it is riser therapy. So thank you friends. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, और कोई भी कमेंट हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके कमेंट करें।